Welcome to META-INF Content Exporter Tutorials. In this video, we'll have a look at how to add a front and back cover page to your export. This is useful if you want to have the same page as front or back cover page for multiple exports. In the Content Exporter Export Profile window, you can check if your predefined profile includes the front or back cover page you want. Start typing the title of the page you want to use. You can use any page in the current space or a global cover page to the export as front or back cover. You can find global cover pages in the Content Exporter Global Cover Pages space. It will only show pages that you can access. If you cannot find the page you are looking for, ask your Confluence administrator to check your Confluence permissions. Want to create your own cover page? Just create an ordinary page in that space. You can reuse it whenever you want to export any content from that particular space without duplicating it or reordering the pages. If you want to use the same cover through different spaces, you will have to create that page in the Content Exporter Global Cover Pages space. Cannot create the cover page? Contact your Confluence admin for permission check or ask them to create it for you. Now that you have picked the front and back cover pages you liked, hit Apply and you're ready to export your customized content. This is what it looks like. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more tutorials.